Hi students, this video is to review how to use tangent, one of our trig functions, to find missing sides. Let's do some review first. On the bottom left here, we have important vocabulary. Remember that this is theta, our reference angle. It's important because it tells us, the side across is opposite and the side next to is adjacent. The hypotenuse is always across from the right angle. The tangent ratio is given by the following. Here we say this out loud of tangent of theta equals our opposite leg divided by our adjacent leg. Let's see an example of how to use this. Here we have a right triangle with a reference angle and sides. Our first step is to label. Across from the right angle is our hypotenuse. Here we have our reference angle. Across from the reference angle is our opposite leg. And next to our reference angle is the adjacent leg. So that was step 1, labeling sides. Step 2 is to set up an equation. Tangent of our angle, 11 degrees, equals opposite y divided by adjacent, 40. Our next step is to use our calculator and undo and solve. To get y alone, we need to multiply both sides by 40. We have 40 times tangent of 11 degrees equals y. This we need to plug into our calculator. Let's take a look. We want to make sure we're on degrees, which we see, and we will type in 40 times tangent of 11. And this on the right side is where our answer is. So 7.775, let's say. We did 40 times tangent of 11. So 7.775. Was that what we said here? Yes, 7.775 equals y. Just as a reminder about how to use the Desmos calculator, you want to be in degrees. You'll press the tan button for tangent, and your answers will show up on the right. Let's do one more example together. Use tangent to find the missing side. What is x? Step 1, label. Opposite from the right angle, our hypotenuse. Here's our reference angle. Opposite the reference angle is our opposite leg. Next to the reference angle is our adjacent leg. Set up our equation. Tangent of our reference angle equals opposite divided by adjacent. We're going to undo dividing by x. So we have x times tangent of 20 degrees equals 10. And then we want to get x alone, so we'll divide by tangent of 20 degrees. That's a number. we'll divide by the whole thing so that we get x equals 10 divided by tangent of 20. Now that x is alone, we will plug in this into our calculator, 10 divided by tangent of 20. So we'll clear this, clear all. 10 divided by tangent of 20, we're in degrees, close our parentheses, 27.47. So x equals 27.47. If you have other questions, please come for office hours. I hope this was helpful. See you in class.